What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we know, solo ad is one of the quickest way to grow your email list. However, there is some skills you need to learn in order to have a good solo ad run. So in this video, I'm going to share everything I know about solo ad, such as places to buy solo ads, script to use to approach any solo ad vendor. So stay tuned, it's going to be massive value. Okay, let's see how to do solo ads for affiliate marketing. So basically my presentation will be divided in two sections. So the first part, I will give the definition of solo ad, the type of traffics, and finally where you can buy solo ad. Okay, and for the second part, I will release the video later this week, I think. So we'll be talking about tracking your campaign and what is exactly T1, T2, T3 tests of traffic, and how to share your public stats, and plus the script that you use when you approach any solo ad vendor. So that being said, what's exactly solo ad? So solo ad is a very targeted traffic. So basically somebody has a huge email list, let's say around 100,000 or more than that, and you send him his offer and he's going to advertise your offer in his email list. So you are paying for the clicks, you know. So each time somebody clicks on your offer, then you pay for the clicks. Yeah, so that is what we call solo ad. And basically you need to use a landing page or opt-in page or squeeze page, right? So, and you want to make sure that you set up correctly your landing page, right? So the idea is to capture to capture people's emails, right, in exchange for a free gifts or free valuable information that can help them, right? So that's why it's very important that you set up your landing page correctly. Yeah. Okay, so let's see now traffic. So basically traffic, it's a very interesting things to really understand, you know, before you send your offer to a solo ad traffic. So basically we have three type of traffic you control, traffic you don't control, and traffic you own, right? Traffic you own is basically your email list. So people are already warm to you, they know about you, they know about your business, you know. And here cold traffic, people doesn't know you, they don't know your business, you know, they are completely unaware of you, or sometimes they even don't know if they have issues here, you know. So, and basically it's, you know, it's traffic you control, right? Like pay ads that we'll see later, and traffic you don't control, like, you know, free traffic like Facebook organic, you know, all that stuff, SEO, all that stuff is something you don't control. You don't know who's clicking and when they're going to click. It's completely random. You don't control this. Okay, and definitely let's see now what is cold traffic. So as I have highlighted earlier, cold traffic, we have the traffic you control and the traffic you don't control. So traffic you control are pay ads. So pay ads like, you know, Facebook, YouTube, Google ad, Bing ad. So all these are pay ads. So why you control those traffic? Because you put your money, right? Solo ad as well. solo ad as well. So you put your money, and you can be very precise, you know, on what exactly you want. You want people from for example, let's say US only, you know, US only to click on your ad. You know, you can be very precise, very targeted. So that's why you control this traffic, because you know, you set up everything you need, you know, to make the campaign successful, right? So, and the traffic you don't control is free traffic, right? Like SEO blogging, Facebook organic. So it's free traffic. So yeah, so you don't really control them. Okay, so basically it's very important to highlight that in the stage of cold traffic, you know, people are completely unaware, like I have said also earlier. So people don't know you, they don't know about your company, your product, and sometimes people even don't know if they have any issues that they want to solve. So it's up to you now, you know, to make them problem aware. So once they are problem aware, so that's where you start, you know, introducing yourself and made an offer to help them, right? So it's very important to understand that, because in solo ad, people who will click on your offer, they are completely cold, right? So now it's very important not to send your offer just like this, you know. You need to go through nurturing, you know, to when I say nurturing is like you know, you use your landing page, your opt-in page, and you give excuse me, so you give people you know, a free valuable information. Then they will give you the email address. So the free valuable information will definitely help them, and then from there you engage with your audience. You create relationships, you know, in order, you know, to those people in your list to be warm. So yeah, to be warm to you. So that's where definitely we call about warm traffic, you know. So warm traffic, people are already in your email list, you know, and they this time they know about you, you know, and when they buy from you, they become hot, you know, hot. So it's very important also to highlight that you know, people buy from people they know, they like, and they trust, you know. People buy from people they know, they like, and trust. So it's very important to highlight that. So yeah, by the way, if you didn't subscribe so far, so it's a good idea to do that now, and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So yeah, people always you know, don't join companies, people join people. So it's very important to put that in mind. So, and then from here people are already hot to you, then they can still buying from you. We call that returning customers. So they always come to you because they trust you. So you need guys to build trust at this stage. Building trust is very important. Okay, so let's see place to buy solo ad. So okay, where we are at. So we were exactly right here. I'll go to my computer. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to my computer and we'll see places to buy solo ads. So we have Udimi, right? So udimi.com. Okay, so basically you click on either find sellers or solo deals, and what you need to look at it's the price, the price per clicks, and the reviews. You have to click on, you choose anyone you want. So it's a research, right? So let's say I click on the first one, just for example. So basically you need to look at the number of likes, etc. You look at you read everything. It's a disclaimer. You look at the reviews very carefully because you don't want to do mistakes here. So you read everything and you made your judgment, right? And basically you came here and you decide how many clicks you want to buy, you see. And each click is 59 cents here. So you need to watch for price, for reviews, and you put your business link here, and yeah, this is one way to go. So, and what is important also to highlight, is very important to contact the seller itself, and to engage with him, to ask him specific questions. That's where the script will come into handy here, and we'll see that in part two of the presentation. So basically, believe me or not, we use Facebook for a lot of things. Well, Facebook is also very powerful. So basically, if there is some website solo ads, you just need to come here and click on solo ad testimonials. Solo ad, yeah, and you have a lot of groups that you can choose. So basically click join all of them, and what you need to do, let's say you want to buy 100 clicks, for example. So you go here and we click either 100 or 200 clicks, let's say 200 clicks. Then what you need also to do is to look at what this one. Okay, here is the seller name, and you see this person bought 200 clicks, and you need to read everything here, everything. This person got 2 sales, he ordered 200, he received 220, so there is 20 clicks bonus here. Opt-in rate is here. So yeah, you need to look for people you want, right? Then you just click on the seller name and to contact him. So, and when you want to put a testimonial, you have to follow the same format here. Seller name, the type, the clicks ordered, the click received, your opt-in rate. If you order for T1, we will see, of course, the definition of T1, T2, T3 in the next part of the presentation, right? So those are solo ad testimonials in Facebook groups. You can join a lot of them, and follow the script that I will give you as well to contact solo ad vendors. So, and the last one here that I have in list is Trafficforme. Basically, you enter Trafficforme, you click on create campaign, right? Then here, what is interesting to highlight, you have some choice here. Either you are in health and diet, internet marketing, cryptocurrency, business operation, make money online, etc. So you have everything we need, and you can choose here. Either you want only US. So guys, that's why it's very targeted, because you choose here, and it's traffic you control. You can control you know, whatever you want to do here, you know, you control this. So that's why is traffic you control. Okay guys, so let's go back to our presentation here. Let's go to our presentation, and yeah, I think that's all guys. And let's watch for part 2. Part 2 will be released really soon. So we'll be talking about tracking your campaign, because you need to track. If you don't measure your what you're doing online, so you cannot improve, right? So it's very important to do that, and we'll see what is exactly T1 and T2, T3 tiers of traffic. We'll see how to share your public stats. So that being said, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.